The Innspace was founded in 2016 to meet the ever-growing needs of students here at the University of Edinburgh's King's Building. We have a wide array of tools, including mechanical equipment, electrical equipment, as well as a network of computers with dedicated software to work on our projects. We're essentially a makerspace where people can come in and build their own projects. The Innspace has seen quite a few projects, including the Formula Students steering wheel, which is prototyped at length, as well as a CNC router project on which we are currently working.
I was the first president of the Innspace, and I spearheaded a lot of the conversations with the school that we had about pushing for more student projects. So the Innspace was formed initially out of the idea we had Formula Student in Hyperloop back in 2016, and being part of setting up these groups, there was an initial struggle to set everything up and get it off the ground and going, and we thought there needed to be a framework for more projects like this to grow and thrive.
I'm really proud of the fact that at the very beginning it was a forced effort of a couple of students who had their vision and were assuming that other students will catch on and build upon it. And my biggest achievement and pride of this space is that at the moment it's self-running and self-governing. People are coming with new ideas, people are making sure it's tidy and kept neat, people are thinking about upgrades for the space, working for the betterment of the space. So I think that the biggest achievement is that it's got its own traction. And it's like a kid that we released and keeps on going and achieving all these amazing things. And this is what Innspace is for me now.
The School of Engineering has really recognized the true value of extracurricular hands-on engineering projects.
I think that at the end of the day, Innspace will be an umbrella organization for all student projects such as Formula Student, Hyperloop, Engineers for Change. So this will be an administrative hub and manufacturing hub for all these projects. At the moment it's one of the projects and we just work and collaborate together, but eventually I would like the Innspace to be the root from which all the other projects set.